Carmela and maybe too. You told Mama you like nature. Let Mama tell you something about nature. Mama loves nature as much as you love nature. When Mama was born, in our village, we don't have cars, we don't have any TV, cell phone, computer, we have nothing, nothing. Everything is nature. We don't even have paper, tissues. So how do we clean ourselves? Water, and we have small, like very old towels. I use it for like maybe 10 years, 20 years, we're still using it. So, and we don't have plastic bags, no anything plastic. And when we wash our hair, wash the hands, we don't have any soap. We when we wash our hair, we use the seeds from the camellia oil. That's our eating oil. When we get the oil from the seed, the camellia seed, we will have we get the oil, scrap the oil, and then we have the leftover camellia seeds. And those seeds, our ancestors figured out that it's very good to use to wash hair. So that's our shampoo for 1,000 years. When we wash our dishes, we don't have dish soap. We use like ashes when we burn firewoods, when we cook, and we have these ashes. We use it to wash. Everything's so clean. So can you imagine how beautiful the nature we used to have? It's beautiful. So when you say you like nature, that's absolutely a right thing. And we used to have absolutely